I just wanted to take a moment of gratitude today to thank all of you that pre-ordered my book. I am Liam Trout. Now, it's by far not the best book I'm releasing. My best book comes out on the 4th. But I had to work really hard the past few months, not having work. And now they just gave me a raise, but I'm not getting any work. So I want to take a moment and thank all of you. Well, those of you that believed in me, those of you that have stuck by me, that have pre-ordered and are buying ones now for gifts. It means so very much to me. My little friend Catbird is here to eat. Hey! So I want to thank all of you for helping me to eat, to be able to pay the bills, to be able to live the very modest life that I do. I've never really wanted anything spectacular. Um, and I can enjoy a near July, June day in 80-degree weather when it's raining and just being grateful for the whole thing. Being grateful for all of you, being grateful for all the kind things that you do, and that I know that my words in this book will be something you can return to. And when you're feeling those emotions, you can return to them, and you can feel that same gratitude and take those lessons that I learned by being dragged by life, falling on my face a lot of times, to love everybody, stand up for everybody, see the divinity in them, and to see their karma, see their dharma too. See that we're all the same thing, and don't be too judgmental of people. And most importantly, don't be too judgmental of yourself. So if you can manage to do all those things, then I'm not saying I have great wisdom, because I don't. I have great experience in a lot of bad ways. So um, yeah, and thank you all for buying the book. I am Liam Trout. It's an experience of in what is not love, but what comes after. How do you find yourself when you've lost yourself? My next book, Elevation, that's coming out on the 4th. Some of you have read it. I love your reviews. That book is going to be the quintessential book of my belief system. Um, the cover, my sister took that picture. I had them make it into the cover. I said, I have to have this on there. We're at Ocean City, and it was a very spiritual moment for me. So I look forward to it. And I hope I speak something to make people feel less alone in the world, I love you all.